Good day, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone, to all my amigos, amigas out there, and to all the viewers that wanna can give time to glance, to see, to watch my videos, my short videos. I'm going to speak, guys, my language, which is Filipino. So, kumusta kayong lahat? Actually, nandito ako sa background ko ay mga grapes, which is hindi akin yan So guys, pag-uusapan po natin, ay share ko sa inyo for today's videos is that gaano ka-importante sa atin ang ating kalusugan, especially when you reach the age of 40s, okay? So ang may share ko, guys, is that for me, super importante sa atin ang kalusugan, ang ating katawan, dahil we all know na ito ay kapital, okay? Ang ating kalusugan ay number one kapital para makasurvive, mabuhay sa mundong ibabaw, char, sa mundong ito. So wala itong edit-edit, guys, ang aking short videos. So for me, yes, numero uno kung paano mo alagaan ang iyong kalusugan is syempre numero uno talaga is ating kinakain, food. And the other one also is one of the most important also, aside from food, is healthy foods, okay? Specifically is you have to drink lots of water, and also fruits, of course, and avoid fatty foods. When you want to eat meat, kailangan is kailangan din natin ng meat, kailangan natin ng karne, especially baka, kasi protina yan. So kung baboy naman is iwasan lang natin yung mga matatabang at every day talaga, as long as you have more time or enough time, extra time, kailangan talaga natin mag-exercise, guys. Hindi ako buntis. So ang dami kong laman ng aking pakite ng aking bulsa. So yun. And para ako actually is hindi ako nakaka-maintain ng pag-exercise due of my, I could say, tinatamad din, isa yan na reason. Pero the more akong mafe-feel kong tatama rin ako, then minumotivate ko yung sarili ko, hindi pwede to. So it's like I am controlling my mind na hindi pwede to kasi hindi maganda. So talagang minumotivate ko yung sarili ko na mag-i-exercise. And ang pinaka-habit ko talaga, number one is magji-jogging, walking, and at least once a week. That's the best one, guys. Malaking tulong yan sa kalusugan natin, ang pagja-jogging. So hindi ako masyadong lalapit lang sa camera kasi so yun, guys, as long as I have enough time na mag-jogging, maximum for me is 1 hour. 1 hour and a half is too much. I guess it's too much, or 2 hours already is too much. And then hindi naman ako, I could say, hindi ako nagda-diet sa food. Kumakain ako kapag gutom ako, kain talaga ako. Maximum is 3 plates of rice. Maximum yan. But the more when I observe my my body, para akong tumataba na. So flexible naman yung body ko. If I want to do diet na mag-reduce agad ng kilo, is nagagawa ko agad. So parang if I observe myself, my body na parang wow, tumataba ako, is exercise ako agad. So hindi talaga, actually hindi regular yung pag-exercise ko, guys, dahil sa sobrang busy din. And yun nga lang is ang sinishare ko lang sa inyo ngayon kung gaano ka-importante sa ating kalusugan, at kung paano natin mapapangalagaan ang ating kalusugan. Is the best way talaga is exercise, and then discipline talaga, disiplina sa food, and then eat the right, kakain ka sa tamang oras, at huwag sobra, huwag kulang yung kinakain mo. Dapat is mini-measure mo. And then, I could say, isa rin sa pag-maintain ng magandang kalusugan is mental, guys. Alam mo, pag stress tayo mentally, pag ang mentality kasi natin kapag stress tayo, problematic masyado, naapektuhan talaga yung physical natin. So, magandang din, isa rin sa way ang pag-exercise, guys. Kapag ikaw ay mag-exercise or change your environment, especially jogging, kahit mag-walk lang, is katulad sa aking background na ito ay magandang yan, magandang ito, prevention, isang medication sa mental din natin kapag tayo ay problematic, kasi problems naman is our twins as a human being na nabubuhay tayo sa mundo. So yun lang, before ako mag-jogging, na talagang jogging na, is nagawa ako ng ganitong vlog, siguro ganitong content na kung may may mag-comment or even magbabash sa akin, it's okay. Welcome kayong lahat. So guys, God bless everyone and take good care of yourself, guys. Ciao, ciao! Walang edit-edit ah.